going to do is we're going to do the first of the basics. The first of the basics is the basics. It's the most important move in stepping. It's the number one basic. So now we got the left foot. So it's the basic step. Left foot first. You got to leave this spot and get back to this spot in 8 steps. Remember, I said that earlier. So here we go. Left foot first. 1, 2. You're stepping back on 3, sliding back, because you got to get back home. Right? 3 left foot, odd number. 4 right foot. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The girls like kicking on. 7, 8. Okay, we'll go again. Left foot all day long. Number 1. That's how you start this game. That's how you start this dance. Left foot. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You notice I pause because there's a pause in the dance which coincides with the 16 bars. All I said earlier. Yeah, I like that. All right. But anyway, let's go again. There's a pause. Remember, there's a pause after 3, pause after 6, and then 7, 8. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Pause. 4, 5, 6. Pause.